Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today we are going to style my newest sweater, this gorgeous chunky knit. I spotted it last fall, 1 year ago, and booked it during the summer sale. This Massimo Dutti chunky knit is made of 45% wool, 31% viscose, 19% polyamide and 5% cashmere. It is very soft and does not scratch. I only wear wool jumper with a blend of materials like synthetic fibers. I can't wear 100% wool. It is too scratchy for my skin. Except for cashmere jumpers, which I choose 100% cashmere. Thanks to the mix of materials, this chunky jumper is also very flexible, which I really enjoy. In this outfit, I like the contrast of fabrics between the knit and the viscose pleated skirt. Before this one, I couldn't imagine buying and wearing a wool chunky jumper. I didn't like any kind of wool jumpers, except cashmere. Next outfit with this amazing printed silk skirt. Superb play of materials with a very fluid light fabric like silk and a thick knit. Neutral colors come alive with very chic black accessories, the mini velvet bag and suede shoes. It is the first time in my life I can feel and say I really enjoy wearing a wool chunky jumper. And to complete the outfit, my old navy blue short coat, which is in French called caban, and which traditionally was worn by sailors. This one comes from Mark & Spencer, oldies but goodies. All clothing information can be found in the description box below the video. One important thing I would like to share with you. Feel free to use your clothes again and again in different outfits. This is one of the goals of my channel, to show you that with the same clothing base, you can create different silhouettes. No need to buy or buy a lot every season. Select, use and enjoy. Be creative with what you already have. And from time to time, add a new piece that will refresh your wardrobe. Outfit 3 with black tailored pants with a little twist. This outfit is more casual with Converse and a cropped trench coat. I play with different lengths to balance the silhouette. I think it works well, also with the different colors. I really like mixing the off-white with the buttery yellow, the black and the brown of the tote bag. What do you think? I know these colors don't look much like fall, but I really like them. They give me energy and optimism throughout the day. That's why I don't follow trends. Sometimes I like certain trends that suit my taste and personality, but I'm not the one who has to follow the trends. What about you? By the way, if you like my content, don't hesitate to like and comment. Yes, comment. And if you really like this video or any of my previous videos, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's free and fun, and so much better for the mysterious YouTube algorithm. My new bestie, by the way. That's one way for me to know what type of content you're interested in. Let's grow this little community. Thank you! Outfit 4. The chunky jumper with bright colors. Maybe you've already seen this skirt in my video on how to style pleated skirts. I will link it for anyone interested. I won't go back to the aim of this channel, using the items of your wardrobe as much as possible. For this outfit, I paired the sweater with the green skirt and the blue mini bag. It's energetic. To calm down the mix of colors, I chose white canvas and a navy pea coat. As a friend often tells me, a lot of colors, but everything works for some reason. No, there are not a lot of colors. There are only 2 bright colors, and the rest are neutral colors. That's why it works so well. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. For outfit 5, same principle but with neutral colored clothes and a brown accessory. A mix of neutral tones with off-white, white and grey. I added the brown bag to spice up the silhouette. Too many neutral tones are boring for the eyes and mood. I really like wearing white trousers all year round. In fall and winter, it is very elegant. I am less and less attracted to dark colors. I still love black and navy blue, but not all black outfits. I need a colorful detail. From time to time, I like to add a big gold cuff to feminize the silhouette and not to stay too casual. It's a super warm and comfortable outfit, but also stylish. Comfort and style are the perfect formula. But too much comfort is not good either. Always find a balance. Outfit 6. Vavavoom! Here is the most glamorous outfit of this video. I've been wearing this animal print slip skirt in viscose for years. The simple cut is flattering. With the chunky jumper and cropped trench coat, I can wear sewed high heel ankle boots and keep the outfit casual chic. The different lengths match perfectly and add movement to the silhouette. The same goes for the subtle mix of colors. And of course, the ice on the cake is the mini blue bag. By the way, if you don't like high heels, use black flat shoes like Converse or Derbies or Chelsea ankle boots. I don't like ballet flats, especially in fall and winter. They are not designed for very rainy countries. I don't like this trend. I find it overrated. If you like ballerinas, wear them. Wear what makes you happy. Wear what you really like. Here is the last outfit of this video, mixing the off-white chunky jumper with a black and white print. I really like wearing black and white outfits, and sometimes adding a touch of color. I've had this skirt for ages. It is timeless. I wear it in all seasons. When you create a casual look, this skirt elevates the outfit. And the mini DeMellier bag too. Play around with accessories, jewelry and sunglasses, especially when wearing sneakers. Add a little something. Casual is like comfortable. Too much and it doesn't look good. Choose items for your wardrobe that you can wear in multiple ways. One day super chic, other days casual chic, etc. First, you need solid basics that you can literally wear with everything. And then add some good quality, stylish items. Usually, even if at one time they were super trendy, they will last. That's it for me today. See you in the next one!